Catch the wave of the future with automation powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where tedious tasks are handled seamlessly, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. This isn't just science fiction, it's reality, thanks to AI automation. At its core, AI automation combines the adaptability and learning capabilities of artificial intelligence with the efficiency of automation. It's like having an indefatigable team working 24/7, learning and improving with every task completed. Think of it as your digital workforce, capable of processing large amounts of data, making complex decisions, and even predicting future trends. From managing your emails to optimizing your workouts, AI automation is revolutionizing how we live and work. So how does it work? AI automation employs algorithms and machine learning to mimic human intelligence. It can recognize patterns, learn from experience, and make informed decisions, all at a speed and accuracy that far surpasses human capabilities. So, welcome to the era of AI automation, a world where technology works smarter, not harder. An era that promises efficiency, accuracy, and growth. Hop on the AI wave and let the future begin today.